welcome to another Halloween tutorial. So today's look is sort of a glam devil type look. I've been digging the glam side of the Halloween looks this year. I don't know, I'm just feeling it. Starting with a red cream paint because I wanted a nice strong base for this look, and I'm basically just blending that out into an angled eyeshadow shape. I'm using a brush that's a little bit denser than a typical eyeshadow brush because it works better for cream products, at least for me. And I'm just sort of blending that into the crease. You could also do this with just a regular eyeshadow. I just wanted something a little bit stronger, I guess. And then I'm just cleaning up the edge with a microfiber cloth, and I'm also taking that cream shadow on the lower lash line. Okay, and then I am tapping over that with a regular eyeshadow to set everything and intensify the color. And then just cleaning up the edges with a white shadow. Now I'm popping on some mascara and some lashes as well. And I ended up doing some liner just because I needed to hide the lash band a little better, but it's just a really basic liner. Then going in with foundation, I'm using the Cosmetics CC cream here and some concealer, and just tapping that out with my beauty blender. Okay, and then I'm also adding some powder here, and moving on to some bronzer. I'm just using the Fenty Beauty bronzer, the powder bronzer in Shady Biz. And then popping on some highlight. I honestly forgot what I used, but I'm pretty sure it's the Pixi Glowy Highlight in London Lustre. And then going in with the Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur blush. It just has this sort of nice reddish tone, and I thought it would be perfect for this look. So I then outlined my lips in a red lip liner and popped on some red lipstick, and I'm adding some gloss to the eyes because you know I can't resist an eye gloss, and I just thought it would look really cool for this look. And then I am using that same brush to kind of blend out the gloss. I typically don't bring the gloss on the lower lash line, but for this look I did because I just kind of wanted it to be all around really uniform, and I think it looked really cool. And then I'm also popping some gloss in the inner corner, which does get messy, but it looks cool. And the same gloss on the lips. And that is the finished look, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all again soon.